seen those animated cartoon story videos that get millions of views on YouTube? What if I told you that these videos are made entirely using AI and not only capturing massive attention but are also making their creators lakhs of rupees every month? Today, I'm going to show you how exactly you can use and start creating videos just like that and start earning money too. These AI-generated videos are everywhere, from animated stories to trending topics. Creators are using AI tools to create content that's engaging and viral. What's even better, you don't even need expensive equipment or even your own voice. Just a few smart AI tools and you can start producing videos that pull in views and money like crazy. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I do this too? Well, I'm about to show you step by step how these creators are making viral videos that brings in huge millions of views and how you can start doing the same, all in a matter of minutes. And trust me, it's much more simpler than you can think. With powerful AI tools, you can quickly create professional animated videos, storylines, and voiceovers all with ease. These tools will help your ideas turn into engaging content that people love to watch. And the best part is, it's fast, simple, and scalable. No need for animation skills or equipment, just a few clicks and you're good to go. So let's get started and turn these ideas into a viral success. So your first step is you need to head over to ChatGPT, and from there you can just brainstorm any ideas, any animated story. So you just need to provide to ChatGPT that I wanted to provide me scene planning, prompt creation to create a 3D animated video. So first I need an idea so that I can create characters of the video using AI. So I have told him to provide me 5 scenes, and then I'll be using tools like Krea to create images, and then I'll be using the prompts to create the video as well. So after you have given the prompt, it will give you some video idea like this and some scene by scene plan with the prompt ideas as well. So you can see the prompt from here. It's very simple. So let's suppose I like this story of mine, which is the brave little tiger finding its roar. So you have the prompt here to generate images for your video. So now the next step is you need to go to the Krea, and then you have to just give the prompt a young tiger cub sitting quietly in a dense jungle, and then it will create images like this. And just look at the quality. It's really good. Make sure you have 4K resolution selected, and you can just select the style from here as well, and the aspect ratio. So I want to keep it 2:3, and these are the 4 variations it has given to us. So from here I'll just simply download this image. And after I've downloaded this image, I'll just go to my next AI tool, which is Runway.ai. So after I've been to Runway.ai, I'll just drop my image from here and just click on the image which you have selected. And then it will create a video like this. We'll just look at the video. Yeah, so it has created a video, and I've given the prompt as well for this video, and just look, it's really good, right? And now that your video is ready, now our next step is generating voiceover for this video. Now you can ask ChatGPT for the prompts for the voiceovers. And so here you can see this is the voiceover script for my prompt, and I'll just copy this voiceover from here. And the next tool I'll be using here is ElevenLabs. So I'll just head over to ElevenLabs, and I'll just select on text to speech from here. So now that I've selected text to speech, I'll just copy paste my voiceover script, and then I'll just click on generate speech, and you can just select the voice, whichever voice you want.
A young tiger cub feels unsure, wondering if it will ever find its roar.
And so we'll just download this voice from here. And then what we will do is we'll just go to Canva, and from there we'll just click on edit a video. And then we can just upload our files from here, the videos which we have already created. So this was our first video, and I'll just attach this video here. And the voiceover, just look at this video quality. It's really good. And to select the voice, you can just again click on uploads from audio, and then you can select this voice.
In the heart of the jungle, a young tiger cub feels unsure.
And we'll just select this and just look.
In the heart of the jungle, a young tiger cub feels unsure, wondering if it will ever find its roar.
So like this, you have to just generate scene by scene images using Krea to generate your pictures, and then we can use Runway for generating our videos. So now that I have generated all my videos and my pictures using these AI tools from here, as you can see, these are the videos which I have generated. So now what I'll do is I'll just attach each scenes here, and I'll just give the voiceover of that particular video as well from the ElevenLabs. So you can just simply download from there. Now let's have a look at what we have created. So I have actually merged all the scene by scene pictures and animations here. So let's have a look now.
In the heart of the jungle, a young tiger cub feels unsure, wondering if it will ever find its roar. But wisdom walks softly. A gentle elephant shares words of strength and patience. With encouragement from friends, the cub begins to believe in its own power. On a sturdy rock, the cub takes a deep breath and lets out its very first roar, filled with...
So as you can see, the quality of the video, it's really good. The only one thing is there, which is the watermark. I mean, you can remove it using the paid version, but then just using the AI tools, I have created this whole animated story. You just do not need any voiceover or any video editing. Just simply use AI and create such stunning animated videos. And then you can upload these on YouTube channel or your Instagram, and then you'll get millions of views and you can earn money through that. Now also just a quick information guys, if you're interested in mastering the future of technology, then the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is the perfect opportunity for you, offered in collaboration with the ENICT Academy, IT Kanpur. This 11-month live and interactive program will provide hands-on expertise in cutting-edge program areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Hugging Face. You'll also gain practical experience through 15+ projects, integrated labs, and live masterclasses delivered by esteemed IT Kanpur faculty. So hurry up and enroll now and find the course link in the description box below. So guys, are you ready to turn your ideas into viral AI videos and start earning? Just follow these simple 5 steps and you'll be creating amazing content in no time. Do not forget to check out the link below to level up your skills with expert courses that can take your career further. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.